In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and edit a custom HTML email template on Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to take your email campaigns to the next level by integrating your own custom designs. Don't worry, no coding expertise is required. So let's dive right in and get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the campaign or design workspace where you'd like to use your custom email template. If you've created campaigns before, this area will look familiar. But if you're new, no problem. Just look for the option labeled Design Email or Edit Design. This is where all the creative work happens, and it's also where we'll be bringing your custom HTML to life. Take a moment to make sure you've landed in the right section before moving forward. Inside the Mailchimp email builder, you'll notice a variety of content blocks on the side panel. These include options for text, images, buttons, and more. What we're looking for is the block labeled Code or Custom HTML, depending on your version of Mailchimp. This is the block that lets you insert your own custom HTML design into the email. Once you find it, drag and drop it into your email layout. You can position it wherever you like, but keep in mind this block will hold your entire custom design. Now, it's time to grab your HTML code. If you've already created your email design using a tool like Stripo, or even if you've written the code manually, this is where that work comes in. For those using a platform like Stripo, open your design there and locate the option to export or copy the HTML code. Stripo is a great tool because it lets you create beautiful designs visually, and then it generates all the HTML code for you. Once you've got the code ready, copy it to your clipboard. Next, return to Mailchimp. Inside the code block you just added, paste your HTML code directly into the editor area. Don't be alarmed if the screen fills up with lines of text and code. This is completely normal. What you're seeing is the raw HTML structure of your email. Now, sit tight for a moment while Mailchimp processes the code and renders a preview of your design. If your template includes a lot of images or complex styling, it might take a few seconds for the preview to load, so don't worry if it doesn't appear right away. Once the preview loads, take a close look at your design. This is your chance to verify that everything appears exactly as intended. If your email looks perfect, you're good to go. But what if something's off? Maybe the logo isn't aligned properly, or you want to tweak the text. Your first instinct might be to edit the code directly in Mailchimp. While this is possible, it's not the easiest option, especially if you're not comfortable working with HTML and CSS. A tiny typo or missing character can throw off your whole layout, and that's not something anyone wants to deal with. Here's a much simpler solution. Instead of editing the code directly in Mailchimp, go back to the tool where you originally created the design, like Stripo. Make your changes there using the visual editor, adjust the layout, update the text, or tweak the colors without worrying about the technical side of things. Once you're happy with the updated design, export the new HTML code, copy it, and paste it back into the Mailchimp code block, replacing the old version. This way you avoid any coding headaches and still get the exact changes you need. And that's it. You've successfully imported and edited a custom HTML email template in Mailchimp. It's a straightforward process that allows you to bring unique and professional designs to your campaigns without needing to be a developer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy emailing.